Let me get going here. Just two quick things, based on the email that I sent you guys about a couple of problems. Elias and I were kind of looking at a couple of them. And your guys' problem number 3, I think they've got a misprint or whatever on the Connect version of that. And if you open up your textbook, you'll see that problem number 3 is pretty much identical to number 5, the exercise number 5. Okay. The problem with the Connect version is that the problem that they're actually giving you is exercise 6 in your textbook. But they have it spelled out incorrectly. The answer that they're looking for, let's put it that way, that's probably a better way to explain it, is the answer that they're looking for is the answer that you would come up with for exercise 6. Right? Basically, you're just changing what the sample size, is that the sample size? From 49 to 64. Okay? That's the answer that they're looking for. And so, when you get to problem or exercise number 3, open up your textbook and do exercise number 6. If that makes sense. Okay. See? Do you get the answer first?
No, I'm saying like to get the answer, you got to do exercise 60.
Right. Right. To get the correct answer that Connect is looking for, if you do what they have, if you actually do it the way they have it written out in Connect, you're going to come up with the incorrect answer. So if you do it using exercise number 6, you should come up with the correct answer. Does that make sense? Okay. The other issue then was the very last problem, and the only issue with that is that I don't really give you any kind of a video or anything to go along with that. Okay. In the past, what I've done is I've just counted that as a bonus. So that's what I'll do there. If you turn to page 301 and it carries over to 302 in your textbook, it actually explains how to do that problem. Okay, so page 301, 302 in your textbook, it explains how to do that. It's just a little bit of an exception to how we calculate some of those things based on some proportions. So go ahead, give that a shot if you want. You're not going to be hurt if you get it incorrect, okay? And then I'll just kind of add it as a bonus if you do get it correct. I'll have to go back. Hopefully I can figure out how to do that. If not, I'll just have to manually do it and then correct it on your score as we go along. So, okay, I can probably add it in as a bonus thing or something. Any questions about either of those two, or I guess about any other exercise or problems that we have? Okay. None, you guys go ahead then and keep working on those exercises.